Hey guys, it's Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and man, do I got a good one for you. I got a 1969 Chevrolet Camaro RS Z 28. This car's finished with the numbers matching 302 with the cross ram with 2.4 intake. Really awesome. It's got the numbers matching 4-speed and the original 12-bolt rear end. This has all been Jerry MacNeish certified. It is a factory Cortez silver with white stripes, black custom interior out of the factory, and it's got that 4-speed in it. Absolutely gorgeous car, one of a kind of car right here, and we're going to take a look at it. If you have any questions on this car, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take a look at this 1969 Chevrolet Camaro RS Z 28. Absolutely gorgeous car right here. And it has been completely restored, frame off, or, subframe off, restoration. Absolutely gorgeous, beautiful car. It's got the correct bi-sply Goodyear tires on it with the rally wheels. Absolutely just stunning is what this car is right here. Absolutely stunning. But we'll take a look at the passenger side of the interior first. All the interior is finished beautifully. It's got the Woodgrain Accents on the dash, that chrome 4-speed shifter, Rally Sport steering wheel, gauges in the console, Tach in the dash. I'll show you when we get around to the other side there. But super just rock star of a car here. I'm going to shut the door. We'll take a look inside the trunk. Inside the trunk's also finished beautifully. It's got the spare tire and the jack equipment. Really looks good. It's got the spare tire stickers, the jack stickers. Just absolutely awesome car right here. When we get concluded with the walk around video, I do have the Protecto plate, the factory window sticker, and the Jerry MacNeish certified paperwork I will show you before we do the test drive. So if you're looking for that, I do have all of that stuff, and I will show you before we do the test drive. But I'm going to shut the trunk here, and Dad's going to start for me, and we'll see how it sounds. Great sound to it. Can't wait to show you what the underneath of this car looks like. It is absolutely gorgeous. Has all the correct markings underneath the car from the factory like it's supposed to, and just absolutely, like I said, just a brand new car. Really looks good. Show you the doors there. Show you the dash. Like I said, it does have the Tach in the dash. Console gauges. Headliners in excellent shape. So, shut the door here. Oh, it does have the remote mirror on the car as well. Remote mirror on the driver's side, which is pretty cool. So I'll take you on around and show you underneath the hood. Like I said, underneath the hood is powered by the numbers matching 302. It's got the cross ram 2.4 intake. Power disc brakes. Absolutely gorgeous underneath that hood. I have pictures of all the block stamping and transmission stamps with the VIN numbers associated. And with that, this car does have chambered exhaust as well. If you stick around to the end of the video, we do have an underneath video that we will show you after the test drive. If you stick around for that, we will show you what it looks like underneath. So it's got all the correct markings underneath the hood from the factory, just the way it's supposed to be from 1969. We're going to shut the hood here, take one more quick look at the 1969 Chevrolet Camaro RS Z 28. If you have any questions on this car, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take this car for a test drive and see how it does. All right, we're going to take this 1969 Chevrolet Camaro RS Z 28 with the 302 numbers matching with that 4-speed for a test drive. See how it does. Show you the dash here. Tach working. We're ready to go. Another beautiful day here in Kentucky. Perfect day to be driving classic cars. And we're going to take this one out and see how it does.
Nothing better than that chain ring exhaust on this car.
No, it absolutely sounds amazing.
This is a monster.
All right, we're going to see what it does here. Through all the gears the right way. Really just an excellent running driving car. Really does good. Doesn't get much nicer than this, but we're gonna turn around and head back here, and like I do every time, I'm gonna have Dad get on it just a little bit and we'll see what this car's made of.
About halfway I'm gonna get on this thing.
Show you the dash here. Like I said, it's all got all the wood grain accents on it. Really nice and clean. So we're going to turn around and head back, and we're going to get on it just a little bit, and we'll see what this car's made of. Car's got good power, shifts through all the gears the right way. Just a really excellent running driving car.
Yeah, if you want something that runs, man, this is the car to have.
Yes, sir. Doesn't pull to the left or the right. Really shifts good. Like I said, just an excellent car. But we're almost back here. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. It helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. If you have any other questions, give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But like I said, we're going to show you what the underneath looks like, and here's that underneath video right now.